Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Surijit Acharya, a motivational speaker. So today I'm bringing for all of you a very excellent topics, okay, which is regarding about what is intuition. Okay, what is intuition? So many times, what happened, like you, there is some connections is to be there, right? Suppose, like example, if you want to call somebody, okay, and suppose you remember suddenly your friend and you want to call that one particular person, and in that moment only that guy only the person whom you think to call, right, that person only is calling you, right? And when we receive, we said, I supposed to call you just now only, right? And you have called me, isn't it? It happened like that, right? And many times it's happened like we started to think some things, like you wish that say your friend somebody should be nearby you, or something you try to remember, okay, or some things you are trying to imagine or something like that. Then suddenly you see that that happens in front of you, right? Which give you like you are just imagining, okay, you are just imagining, and that comes into real. Okay, sometimes we dream at night also, right? Sometimes we dream at night also, and that happens, that comes true also, isn't it? So all those things I'm going to talk regarding about that, why it's happened and how it happened and how it works. Okay, all those things I'm going to discuss all of you, and I hope that you will really like it what I'm gonna share with you, all of you. But before I start, as I always used to say, please try to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you are really new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and share my videos also as much as you can. So here I go with that points, what is intuitions, right? So first of all, the intuition is like kind of a giving you a message which is going to happen, okay, which is going to happen. It's kind of giving you some kind of message. It might happen to you also, it might happen to some other person also, or maybe in any kind of particular situations, like it might happen. Okay, suppose suddenly at night, like you are dreaming that somewhere, if you are dreaming suddenly that earthquake, right? You are dreaming, in your dream the earthquake came, okay, and you are running here and there so much, right? And you wake up and you are so scared or something like it, right? So what happened that morning only, once again, either the earthquake will be in front where you are living in that same place, or maybe it might be in the different place. Okay, it is to happen usually to all of you only. Okay, so it happened to us also, it happened to me also. Okay, like many times what happened, what we dream it comes true, and many times it's happened that what we dream it don't happen to you, but it's happening to other person. So that means, like the people, like the thing is that the intuition is such a way like that, no, like it's trying to give you something message which is going to happen around you. So how you can save from there, isn't it? Like many times, like we used to choose as a good luck or bad luck also as a sign, isn't it? So over there what happened, if you are choosing as a good luck and bad luck, how to save from the bad luck right now. Okay, how you can save from the bad luck in order to make your bad luck turn into good luck, right? So what happened when we are dreaming all those things, and you already think that, yeah, okay, sometimes what happened in your dream, suppose you saw that, okay, somebody is beating you or somebody is biting you or something, and next morning you try to call and you try to tell them that be careful today, I was just having a bad dream about you, this and that. Why we give message, right? Because the gut feelings, that our feeling says that it might happen, right? It might happen like that. So definitely that is the main things about the intuition also, like we try to save the people, we try to save the people life also, right? Because what we see that happens in reality, if it is not happening to you, it will happen around you. So that's why it is very much important to study the things properly when it where it is happening, whether it is about the positive dream or whether it is about the negative dream. Okay, something which is coming means somebody is trying to give you message, the god is trying to give you the message that it's going to happen around you, this kind of thing. So that time you must know that how you can save somebody's life, or maybe even your life also. Okay, or maybe any bad things you have seen which is very dangerous also, make sure that you are full prepared of that one, so that you are not going to face that kind of particular problem, because this message they give you just to save your life or maybe some other person life also. So that's why from before only you have to be very much prepared about that one. Plus the second things what we can do is that you can go for the meditation. Okay, you can go for the meditation, deep silent inside somewhere place. Okay, and there with full of meditations, full concentration, full focus, right? And the hearts, isn't it, heart, mind, everything should be proper, connection should be there, right? And with that meditation what happened, that also it can change, right? Whatever you see also, whatever the things are comes also, what will happen, you want to know more details, then what will happen more, right? You want to know more details, that you have just seen the little bit things, okay, you just get little bit ideas about that one, but you don't know the actual fact that what exactly will happen and what is going to happen more and more, right? So make yourself more meditations, like go and sit somewhere, do the meditations properly, right? And the things you will see the proper visualize over there, that yes, what is going to happen and how it can happen, okay, all the answers you will be getting automatically that time, right? So that's why intuition is one of the, like we can say, when we talk about the, as I told you, it's really give us the message to everyone to save from the good luck, bad luck to good luck only, right? So I hope that you have understand what I'm trying to guide all of you, okay? And please, if you really like that what I'm trying to share with you, okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel also, okay? For till that time, thank you all of you, and bye bye guys, and take care.